All right, guys, yet another video here on the footprint chart and using the profile. As you remember, the profile is over here to the right. We've got the three settings for scalping, for short term, and these two are for intermediate term. What I wanted to show you guys is exactly what has transpired by utilizing the profile and by utilizing the filter that I have on this point and figure chart that shows the total delta. The filter is set up with a specific historical level that you can look for areas of support and resistance based upon the amount of buying or selling at that specific price. And I just want you to notice what happened where these green lines are, which is based on the delta profile. And these lines were put on here before any of this market action that you're seeing on here happened. And I just want you to take notice at the points that we stopped, right? Boom. We trickled down through there a little bit. Stopped there. Came right down to the 33 simple moving average. Boom. Then back down. Boom. Back up. Had that little blow off. Came back down. Tested it. Broke down through it. And look at this. You see these red lines right here of the massive short positions? Those were established over the last 4 days. So you could see it took quite a bit of fighting in here. You see how you have quite a bit of the shading in here of the red and the green right here. These two reds right here, a lot of selling went off there because these shorts were defending their position. They were not able to defend it successfully, and we went back up. So we came down this morning, came right back to where those shorts established their positions, and we bounced yet again. And the other thing I wanted to show you on here is that this 33 simple moving average on this 4 PNF chart of the German Bund is just beautiful, right? Right here, right here. You finally broke it. You came down to where the short positions were. Now we've finally broken up through it. If we break up through it, well, we already have, but if we fail up here, I would expect lower prices. I really would. You've got a lot of trapped shorts right in here, and you've got a lot of trapped shorts right down in here. So those will be areas where, because they're trapped, if price comes back down there, I would look for some buying, some short covering rallies. But right now, the bulls need to get it past this pink line, which is a lot of short positions were established there as well. But I'm telling you, using the delta profile and using the footprint chart gives you an idea. And one of the reasons that I'm showing you this is that we knew where all these short positions were, right? So we knew ahead of time where we would have some decent resistance. And most of the time, what you want to look for is not so much breaking through this level where all these short positions were, but you want to look for, once we break through it and we come back down to it again, that's a very bullish sign. So anyway, I just wanted to go over that briefly so that you see exactly what it is that I'm looking at. So I'll tell you what, if you have not investigated the footprint charts yet, you better do it, because otherwise you're going to be at the mercy of all the wolves out there. I'm one of them.